Hello my dear students. Today in this module we'll learn about line, rays, line segments and angles. You have understood in geometry we'll learn about so many shapes like triangle, square, rectangle. There are few basic elements of geometry, that is point, line and ray. Let's understand what is line. Line is a straight path that extends endlessly in both the directions. It has only one dimension, that is length. It can extend endlessly in both the directions. It has no fixed length. Now if we take a part of a line, like just see on the screen here, I have drawn a line that is AB. You can see, if I take a part of a line like CD, it has two fixed points. This is called line segment. Means line segment has two fixed points. It cannot extend beyond that. And if I take like this, EF I have taken, just see on the screen, this is called a ray. It has one fixed point, that is E, and it can extend endlessly in other direction. This I have marked as F. Now you have understood the difference between line segment and a ray. A ray has one fixed point and it can extend in the other direction endlessly, and a line segment has two fixed points. And what is line? Line has no fixed point. It extends endlessly in both the directions. Now let's understand what is angle. Now if we rotate two rays either in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, just see on the screen, I have rotated AB from this position to AC. You can see. Now here an angle is formed. We can write as angle CAB. This is the angle. If I rotate AB clockwise direction, again an angle is formed. This is, we can write as angle BAC. So in both the situations you can see an angle is formed. So when two rays or two lines or two segments meet at a point, an angle is formed. So this point, what do you call this point? This point is called vertex of the angle. A line segment has two endpoints, whereas a line has no endpoints. It can extend endlessly in both the directions. Now we have understood that when two lines, two rays or two line segments meet at a point, an angle is formed. Now let's understand what kind of angles are formed. If measure of angle is less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. If measure of angle is equal to 90 degree, then it is called right angle. And if measure of angle is greater than 90 degree, then it is called obtuse angle. Now, if the measure of angle is exactly 180 degree, this is called straight angle. Now, if the measure of angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, this is called reflex angle. Now student, it's clear what is acute angle, less than 90 degree, obtuse angle, more than 90 degree, angle equal to 90, that is right angle, angle exactly equal to 180 degree is straight angle, angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Okay students, now in the next module we'll learn something about complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair. Till that time, just revise what you have learned in this module. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So students, before moving on to the next module, let's recap what we have learned in this module. A line is a straight path that has no endpoints. It extends endlessly in both directions. A line segment is a part of a line having two endpoints. A ray is a part of a line that has only one endpoint. An angle is formed when two rays, lines, or line segments intersect each other. Depending on their degree measures, angles are classified into different types. So students, now answer the following questions. Question number 1. A straight path that has no endpoints and can extend in both the directions is called. Options are A. Ray, B. Line, C. Line segment, D. Angle. Question number 2. A part of a line that has only one endpoint is called. Options are A. Ray, B. Line segment, C. Line, D. None of these. Question number 3. A part of a line that has two endpoints is called. Options are A. Line, B. Ray, C. Line segment, D. Angle.